Happy Monday. My name is Derrick Sanderson. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty, serving the greater Chico, California area. And every Monday, I take a few minutes and go over what's happening with the housing market here in Chico. So without further ado, let's go. So before we jump into today's numbers, I just want to quick share some exciting news for those who may not have known. You may have noticed I've been a little MIA lately, missing in action as far as these updates and even on social media, and here's why. On March 30th, we welcomed our third child, Levi Everett Sanderson. So the last 6 weeks or so, been enjoying being dad to another new baby. So that's why I've been a little MIA. However, that's not why you came. So let's jump into those numbers and see what's going on exactly. So as of about 10:30 this morning, we have 126 active single family homes on the market here in Chico with 105 under contract. Now for those 126 active listings, our median list price has come up quite a bit to $625,000. Part of that being there are a lot more expensive homes that have hit the market in the last couple weeks. So that's kind of pushed that median list price up. And average days on market coming in at 59 days for those 126 homes. Taking a step back and looking at the last 7 days and what's gone on here in Chico, we had 28 new homes hit the market and 22 go under contract. This is great news. We also had 14 price reductions, which means those homes that were listed, they kind of overshot the market a little bit and they're having to correct. And then we had 15 homes actually sell. And looking at all of April, see, we are now in May. We had 71 homes sell this April. That is up almost 11% from last April in 2023. Average days on market coming in at 36 days for those 71 homes. That has dropped almost 22% from April of last year. The median list price and median sales price actually slipped by about 5 to 6% from last year. So we had more homes sell in a shorter amount of time and for less money comparing April to April. And a little bit of value. This is the most affordable listing on the market here in Chico at the moment. So what we've got here, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 918 square feet. This listing is courtesy of Sherry Prater at the Advantage Group. If you've got questions about it, please feel free to reach out and I'm happy to get you that information. Could be a great investment property. And then the most expensive home that hit the market. This actually hit the market technically today, coming in at just under $2.7 million. This property, looking at the photos, is incredible. 5 bedrooms, 5 bath. I mean, just look at that space there. So you got questions about that? Feel free, reach out. And interest rates are at 7.12 as a national average. And total disclaimer, I am not a mortgage professional. I am not licensed to do mortgages. This is pulled from mortgagenewsdaily.com. It's actually come down quite a bit in the last 6 days. You can see here, we actually peaked at 7.5% at the end of April. So it's nice to see this trend coming back down. We'll see what happens based on future economic numbers that come out. And every Monday I post a motivational quote. And this is this week's. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. That's J.R.R. Tolkien from Fellowship of the Rings. This is a powerful reminder that I constantly remind myself, and I want to encourage you to remind yourself. At the end of the day, we have a choice. We get to decide how we're going to respond or act in response to something. And so we get that choice with this short amount of time. When looking at the timeline of eternity, we only have this much time. So what are we going to choose to do with that time? I suggest choosing things that are going to make the biggest impact. That's all I've got for you for this week's market update. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you all again very, very soon.